Hi everyone! Welcome to AI Camp. My name is Michael, and I was introduced to you by my team at the end of March 2013. A little more background: the whole AI community in a bit of a slow shock today. There were some technical difficulties involved with how the game was implemented, but the world, which is undergoing some critical changes, was pretty easy to understand. The AI for Elite Dangerous went through a real-time overhaul and it switched its native version as well. As it was changing up, it showed less StarCraftiness, it had good ideas. It seemed like the main engine was much faster, since even the game's particle effects all seemed to have crashed, but it never quite went dead. Thankfully, in April this year, the player was able to have another update, which unfortunately did not make it past the usual maintenance. It actually crashed as bad as expected. The game is actually pretty smooth for the time being. It's not something I quite care about after all. That entire text except the first two sentences were auto-generated by an AI,